Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, here in this question we have to find out the pH. So first we'll calculate the mole of HCOOH, that would be equal to the molarity into volume. So we have given the molarity for this, that is 0.15, and volume is V here. Now it will be 0.15 V. Now we can calculate the mole of NaOH, that would be equal to the molarity into the volume. It is also same for this, that is 0.15 into V. We'll get the molarity, that is 0.15 V. Now we'll consider the reaction, that would be, now we have to draw the ICA table for this. So the initial concentration is 0.15, here it is 0.15, for this it is 0, here it is also 0. At time t it is subtracted and it is formed here, and it will be 0 at equilibrium, and it formed here. Now we have to find out the molarity for HCONA or HCO negative. So it will be equal to the mole over volume. So the mole, that is 0.15 V over V plus V. So we can write 0.15 V over 2V. So we'll get the molarity, that is 0.075. Now we have given the Ka for HCOOH. From here we can find the Kb, that would be equal to 10 raised to minus 14 over 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 4. We will get Kb, that is 5.56 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now we again dissociate now on this dissociation, first we'll draw IC table again. So here it is 0.075. After finding the concentration, it is 0 and something is subtracted here, and we can write at equilibrium 0.075 minus x. Here it is x. We can write the Kb here, that is equals to x square by 0.075 minus x. We can neglect the minus x here, so we can write Kb, that value is 5.56 into 10 raised to minus 4 is equals to x square over 0.075. Now we can find out the x from here, that is equal to under root of 5.56 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 0.075. From here we'll get the x, that is equals to 2.04 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now we can find out the POH from here, that would be equal to minus log of OH ion concentration. So it would be minus log of 2.04 into 10 raised to minus 6. That would be equal to 6. So from here we can find out the pH, that would be equal to 14 minus POH. So it is 14 minus 6. We'll get the pH of this reaction, that is equals to 8. So this is our answer. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.